Huh? I am doing a stream. What? I'm streaming? What? That's not possible. That's not possible at all. Properties. Yeah, it's the correct mic. Okay. Let me get some BGM. Fuck. Okay. YouTube has this weird thing, like it loads at the search bar. It loads the search bar. You wanna type something, then it loads everything else, and the keyboard inputs aren't used for the search bar, but for the interface. So you type music and it mutes the current video and then makes it small because you pressed I. And then turns on caption because you pressed C. It's so weird. Okay. So, let me... Yeah, I can do that. Can do it like this. Yeah. Okay, for today, yep. I'm just gonna do my homework. I mean, so just doing my homework. I am not. Yeah, when you have blah 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 slices. Work yourself for the last section is slide deck of exercise, so 2 on slices. Yeah. Read and as a char range and ASCII conversion, extend the following program so that every char is printed in uppercase. Can I just copy it? No, I cannot. Thank you. Thank you. I love the console. I love the console. Hey. Is this XC? I don't know. Hello, B. Okay, gotta do it like this. Gotta do this and then just. Yep. Yeah, everything seems to be offset correctly. Yeah. Okay. Doing homework and streaming, amazing. Yes. I was like, okay, I gotta do this. Let's just stream because I want to stream again. Okay. So, extend the following program so that every char is printed in uppercase. Okay, so what the program currently does, it just prints every char. Can I? No, let me try. Can I first do this? Run build. Let's move build to right top. I don't know why it resets it always. But yeah. Is it just nothing? Okay. And now if I run, yeah, I can also see the build output. Good. Then, so what I want to do is I can either just use the function like to uppercase or Rust to uppercase. Select this code with the uppercase method on char. So if I do two uppercase invalid format string. Consider using positional formatting arguments that way. What? Okay. Who knows? Wait. Are my key bindings weird? F11? No. Ah, who knows? Oh, does it mean like this? Up two uppercase, right? I can just do this, or what I can do, we can open Firefox, look at the ASCII table, and we see that lowercase a is offset by 32 to uppercase a. So what we do instead of this, we do, let's just say a, let a equal I as U8. Okay, let's see, did that work? Yes, 97 to 122 was it? Yeah, that works. Then we do let b equal a minus 32 as char. How does Rust feel compared to assembly? I know it's like compared to assembly, it's definitely way less abstracted. Like there's much more abstraction going on. Like I prefer doing C style. Like just give me the memory and I'll figure it out from there. Just give me some pointers. And in here, like, this is a garbage collected language, so you don't really deal with memory unless you do other stuff. So B, and now we print those again. Okay, now can I just do this on one line? I as U8 minus 32 as char. Then just comment out these lines. Invalid string format. Oh, yeah. Oh, I like it. I like it. Who needs to do two uppercase? Like what? Like let me see. Let me see. Let a equal I to uppercase. Wait, no, to uppercase. Like, look at what it has to do. Like, it has to go here, has to go here. Like, okay, wait, to uppercase. Return an iterator that yields the uppercase equivalent of a char destruct this. Yeah, look at what everything it has to do, and I just do some calculations. Come on, it must be easy. Or if we wanna go really weird, what we can do, unsafe asm import, yeah. So let me check. Okay, let me check again. Rust inline assembly. Ah, yeah. So okay, this is gonna take me a moment, but I can do this. So okay. Let's move into temp. Let's just say X like that. Also define X in reg I. Okay, the inline thing is, and then okay, I would just have to add to temp. No, sub 32. What? Cannot be used for input operands. Okay. Okay, I gotta understand this a bit right now. So let J char cannot use value of type char for inline assembly. U8? No. Okay. Wait, no, not I. But this means we're discarding the value. Let me think real quick. So in out, no, that also doesn't work because I cannot use type char for inline assembly, only in. Okay. But wait, when it's only in, it works, but when it's in out, it doesn't. Yeah, because I'm modifying I. Okay, let J equal I dot. No, that's just a clone. If we do in out here, if we just do this, cannot use as U8. cannot use value of type type U8 cannot be used with this register class. What? What? Wait, I can only use why can I only use signed integers? Why can I only use signed integers of floats? Consider using the reg byte register. Reg byte. Value assigned to J is never used, so. Right, okay. Then make this into temp again. This, let's just keep then the names like this, otherwise I will get confused. Make this also reg byte, I think. And then here J as char. Something will go wrong here, yeah. Instantiate into assembly here. Unknown token in this expression. Wait, what? Wait, what? Okay, it didn't work. Let me just quickly check what the hell is going on. Let me just quickly check what's going on here. I think I just don't understand the inline assembly at this moment. Right, okay, so I only need to do one operation. Sub 032 in out reg byte J. Let's see. Ah, okay. Okay. It seems like I just completely misunderstood the syntax. Inline assembly do be weird. Oh dear. And if I wanna make it different, I can prefix these with B for bytes. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Yeah, because if I do, if I do this, it's chars, but if I do this, it gets converted to U8. Neat. Neat. Okay, I would say with that we have number 1 done. Okay. Play around a bit with char ranges and implement a logic that filters all Latin letters from a given literal string. String literal. Okay. look at something. I'll move that here. Where? Oh. Where? Okay. There you go. Okay. Oh right, I cannot pull from the repository because I'm not connected to the VPN. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna try and do that right now. Filtering Latin letters. Ah, okay. Here it just uses a print off a case like that. Yeah, lame. And then okay. I just quickly looked at the solution because I wasn't sure what the thing wanted, what the task itself wanted. By the way, this song, this movie, Legends of the Guardians, The Owls of Ga'Hoole. Did you know, like, this is a kids movie, and apparently, the movie is directed by Zack Snyder. Zack Snyder? What's it? Snyder. Zack Snyder, yes. Oh, it's... Oh, Schneider, okay. Yeah, that's a very weird way of saying, of writing Schneider at all. Maybe more in line with the Dutch version, I don't know. Oh yeah. The fucking Zack Snyder movie, like the song itself is quite good in my opinion. I like it. Okay. What? Okay. There we go. Let's do that. Okay. So it just wants me to filter out letters. How did it define the string? Just did like a string, okay. That's my string. Yeah. Let's just do something simple. No, I need to turn off the inline suggestions. Holy no. Holy moly, I do not want those. Okay, then for I in 0 my string dot length. Okay, seems like that works. Then I want Does this work? Cannot be indexed. Thank you. So how is the indexing? Right. Maybe. Oh, it does my string dot chars. Okay. Okay, that kind of... I hate these extensions that they have. Like, all these extra functions that you can directly, like, apply on strings. I find it so weird. Yeah. So I is now a char. How is it? Yeah. I'm just gonna do if I as u8 no, wait. Or was it? Okay. So if 97 is less equal or 122 or anyway. Chain comparison operators requires parentheses. Why does it? Okay. So, okay, instead of writing... can I just do -u8? Nope. What if I do this? Nope. Let j equal is. And replace it with j. So if j. Right, so if okay. Let me think that through right now. So if 96 is smaller than j, so it's at least 97. If it how did he do it here? Why don't I just do logical or? I wanna do it like this though. So 64. Okay, I just confused my cursor. 91. The thing is, I think something's not gonna math here. No, I wouldn't remove these parentheses. That looks weird. Just sure. I hate this. Okay, there we go. Right. Okay. No. Right, so how do you ignore? Malformed ignore. How do you ignore again? Let me see. Oh, allow. It's allow. Oh, come on. No, I'm not gonna remove these parentheses. It's gonna look stupid. Sure, I can remove that space there. Okay, so yeah, these doesn't work. So I'm just gonna do the... okay. Oh yeah, it's... yeah. I'm not just gonna copy paste this now. But yeah, CD programming exercises, to macro now there's my program that reads text from command line, send it into a string, create a slice for each word, and print the amount of letters per word. Extend the program so that vowels AU are also counted and printed in wait, are also counted and printed individually for each word. Make sure to only count and process alphabetical characters. So let me just... I want to keep that one just... okay, Rust, command line arguments. So just trim the code. Nvargs collect. Also weird that you, well, in C you just have the command line arguments like int argc and char argv. Oh, whatever. So then no, just do a quick print of args. So what doesn't like it? Like, why? Okay, edit config. to... Where can I add my... How can I add my command line arguments with this? RustRover add command line arguments. Command. It's on the one down here. But then no, that's not it. God, that's always so small. Specific configuration name, element of instances, project command. Command, okay. And then command, build options, program arguments, okay. The dash prefix followed by extra space separates cargo build options, okay. Okay, let's see. Test. Unexpected document test. Cool. Cool. What I'm gonna do then? Go here. CD programming Rust projects. Okay. / Übung 2 Test. Okay, there we go. I'm also gonna do just comment that out. Yeah. Oh wow, unused imports. Allow unused imports. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then it works the way I want it to. So, what did it want me to do now? Where's my program that reads this command line from standard in into a string, create a slice for each word, and print the amount of letters per word. Okay, amount of so create a slice for each word and then print the amount of letters per word. Well, I already have this here. So I have the path. And then test. What if I, instead of like this, do a home XC programming Rust projects target debug. Okay, that's yeah, basically execution path. Okay, so I want argument number 2. Let arg2 equal vec 1. Wait, no. consider boring here. Well, yeah, it's not like this one, it's gonna go out of scope. Or what I could do, because I really don't need that first part of it, do this. No. Collect infer type of right. Cannot infer type of parameter be declared. Yo, what? Right, why can collect in this case not? Wow. Wow, this is okay. Arcs 1 cannot move further. Phoenix. Wait, what? Ah, right. Because I have to do this then. Okay, print arcs to arc 2 and just let me compile it and test. Okay, so okay, that works. Okay. Okay. Here. If not, arcs 1 cannot apply unary operator to type string. The foreign item does not implement not. Wait, not. Can't compare string with option. So, and that's why I don't like weird types. Because I just wanna see, hey, is there a second argument? Okay. Arcs dot is okay. Arcs length under 2. Print line. Supply a command line argument and return. Cool. So if I do this node, that works, and if I just do this, yeah, supply command line argument. Okay, very nice. Then I get the argument and can print it. So next I want to create a slice for each word. Which means okay, question is, how would I want to do this now? There's several ways I think I could do this. I could either like just loop over it. For I in arc2.chars. Oh. For I in, yeah. And then so for every chart, I would also want to let C equals 0. That just can be a U8. So if if I not C++, plus C, plus C, no. Rust has no prefix increment of yes. that this is an error. It's like so many people have tried it that they made a specific error message just for this. Okay, if you make a specific error message just for this, why not just implement it? Is assigned but never, it is used. It is incremented. God damn it. Here. If I have it like this now, can I do this now? Nope. Oops. And this. There's no God A. Plus equal 1, there we go. Else, right, I want, so, what do I want again? String, create slice for each word. Okay. Okay, I want a slice for each word, so, let words, let's make it a vector of strings. Else, okay, for that I will have to let me comment this out. So if I do words dot push test, make words mutable, binding using right. Used binding words isn't initialized binding declared here but left uninitialized. Love her just how would I initialize this now? Like I could just initialize it with some data. Like let's just say sorry. No. Like no. How would I want to initialize this? Oh, with like, come on, just let me. You gotta do this. Like, why do I gotta do this? Why can't it just implicitly know? Oh, I created a new vector. Like, okay. I hate this. Like, I hate how Rust is explicit and implicit in the weirdest ways. I wish it like could decide. Like, you cannot cast types implicitly, like you can in C, but you can implicitly return from a function. And you don't even have to put a semicolon at the end. Or like, if you want to implicitly return from a function, you don't include a semicolon, which I just find so weird. Let me just check something real quick. Okay. Okay. So now I want to print, gotta do this weird thing first, and then words. I cannot type. What? Doesn't implement. Okay. Right. That's what I wanted it to print. Right. So, Rust append to string. How do I concatenate strings? What the fuck? Okay. Wait, what the God. Okay, I just looked at how to concatenate strings and there's a lot. I don't like the complexity of it. So I could do let me just call it my string equal words plus test2. No, wait, because it's that. Cannot add string to string. But now it becomes a string type. Oh god. Wow. Wait, okay, what does to own mean here? Creates own data from borrowed data, usually by cloning. Can I just clone then? No. Cool. So it needs to be to owned because it's the first one's gotta be a what if I wanna do huh? Okay, it would let me do that. No, let me see. This is confusing. Because I want a vector of string slices. Okay, what if I wanted to words 0 equal or could I do words put? No, I could do okay, I don't know why it complained there, like it didn't even. Okay, now it gives you the okay, it seems like the language server is just kind of crappy or something. I know. Okay. Very fun. Let me check something. Been streaming for an hour. Interesting. So because it's string type, like I want just 2 simple strings. Okay. So let new string equal, then I would need to format words 1 invalid format string. How is that? This is so fun. Wait. Didn't I... Didn't I try that? I thought I tried this earlier. Didn't I try that? Yeah, here. Didn't I try that here? What? Oh, right, because words is not string. It's not uppercase string. It's string pointer. God. So do I just make a vector of strings then? And then here two owns. I think I think so. I think that's what I want to do. Yeah, okay, I think that's what I want to do maybe. And because then I can also do, I can also do words 0 dot push string hello. And yes, okay. And let's do it like this. Then get rid of this. So, right, we have this here, then we have arc2 here, which is just input string. Wait. Input string. There we go. Okay. Now I gotta. So what I'm gonna do now is let mod w 8 equals 0. Okay. So what I have is input string w. Wait. No. Words w dot. Why is it? Type string cannot be indexed by u8. Slice indices of type. Push string I. Great. To owned? Nope. What can I do here? Yeah, so it's alphabetic is alphanumeric. Okay, that's all possible. Clone? No, because that's still a type char. How Rust char to string. No, not percentage. Converting char to string. Where is it? Dot to string. Oh, thank you, Rust. You're killing me. Nah. Nah. Don't tell me. Okay, to string as string. Fuck. Nah. That is so stupid. That is so stupid. What the fuck? That is so stupid. Well, at least it so if we are here, W plus equal 1 definitely. That's okay. We would probably want to do trim or white. All that. Wait, and split white space. Do I need to do a because split white space. All kinds of white spaces are considered. Okay, okay. Okay. why is this a type? Like, couldn't it just return a vector with them? Wait, what if I do dot collect? Type question mark. Type B. Okay, so dot collect doesn't work. Rust split white space to vector. Let's do this, and can I do dot collect on this? No, type whatever that is. Okay, so dot map string to string, and it's still of type who knows. Yeah. What? It still doesn't know what type it is. This. Okay, and I mean, try something else. Split. Dot collect. Again, type question. Type pointer question mark. Like. Okay, let me see. Oh, okay, what is this? Collect. Alec. String. And, Right, so would it now work split white space also? Okay, this is... Okay. Like, it's so confusing that there's so many ways to do it. Like, okay, in C there's also many ways to do it. I was about to do it fully manually. So, print input string length. Okay, 3. Yeah, it's because I didn't use the right print ln. There we go. Okay. Okay. It works. That works. It's already 5 AM. So what was the next part here? Create a slice for each word. I think I did that. Print the amount of letters per word. Okay. So for I in wait, no, for I in input string. Print line word length I dot length. Okay, there we go. Nice. Okay, like this part was at least intuitive. This part was intuitive. This one? No, not at all. Like look at this thing. Like, okay, split white space, sure. If you understand like it does like Rust works like that, sure. But this thing? No, like I would think, okay, because like up here it works. I could just do collect here, but no. Or okay, let me try something. Vec string. Does it work? No, doesn't. Okay, this works. Sure. Apparently you need to supply it with like the correct type of and this one needs a type annotation. I thought the inference system was so good. Okay. Extend the program so that the vowels are also counted and printed individually for each word. Okay. So if I don't just want the length of a string, because theoretically I could just also add numbers here and that would extend it, and it only wants the task is only alphabetical characters, so we do let mod c equal 0 for j in I dot length. Why is I dot length now not possible? Okay. Wait. What? I also don't like this syntax because it is weird. But whatever. Okay, I will be right back. I need to take a break. And I'm back. Okay, so right, I want to count the okay. Can I do this? No. How do I string indices are ranges of use size to trade things for use. Right. Okay. Rust. Okay. Wait. What I can maybe do for J in I.chars. So if J alphabetic C plus equal 1. Haha. Okay. Okay. So, then I do the previous print ln word number of letters C. And I can just do C as U8 because what letters have more than 255? What words have more than 255 letters? Nice. Okay, and I can also just do like cool. And print the amount of letters per word. Extend your program so that vowels are also counted and printed individually for each word. Okay. Okay. Let mod v as u8 equals 0 if j dot okay, there is nothing for like a vowel. Is numeric lowercase is ASCII less equal less than not even. It's like just is and alright, equal Okay, how does equal work? I O E O U. Oh no. V plus equal 1. No. Expected char found string. Okay, so other way around. If I EOU dot contains a J. Okay. Why is proofreading on? Okay. So, right, and... Right, I also want let mod word u8 equals 0. Let's do that with 1 w plus equal 1 numbers of letters in word. And then I'm just gonna number of vowels in word 1. Wait. Right, what? Oh. Yeah, okay. Neat. Neat. I could also just do like print line. Nice. Okay, what else is there? Okay, so basically this done. Yep. Text analyzer tips when writing function for the logic. Use string little as type. Okay. Well, I didn't make a function. What I could make another function, but I don't care. The symbol is called reference. We will cover this topic next exercise. Understanding complex strings. We will introduce complex strings type. Might be a bit confusing. Blah blah blah. We will still work with text. Because string little, but now how do I macro word wrap? Control E, set soft wrap on. There we go. Control set word on. Okay. Very cool. We still work with a text we call string literal, but now we can edit the text, which was not the case before. The reason for that, and we will deep dive into this topic in the next lyrics, is that we now use a different section memory to store our string. Alright, the heap and stack stuff. Okay, the string type is a type that manages another type internally, which stores our characters in a collection of bytes. And to be more precise, we technically have two variables and two positions in memory to work with, but only need to take care of one of them. To understand the different positions in memory, use the following small program. Okay. No. Right, the pointer stuff. I get that. I do get the pointer stuff. Extend your program so that prints data. Store the bytes, try different input strings. Okay. Yeah, no, I understand. I point to a bar and so memory as pointers. Additional tasks will serve through the following tutorial page and stuff. And how do I, can I just like, no. Wait, what? Like this it doesn't work, but when I do this it works. When I go like into Tmax into scroll mode. Slice is similar to raise, but the length is not known at the compile time, so you can't use slice directly. Yeah, not 1.5 hours is enough rust for now. Yeah, that I would say that is enough rust. Why did it make a... Yeah, why did it make a Git repository out of this? Who knows? Anyway, I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this also. This was fun. I wanna get back into assembly, do more assembly, but other uni stuff is just keeping me from it. Like all the mathematics stuff, like all the mathematics stuff is just kind of too much for me at the moment. But like I don't do anything, so it just gets more and more, and it gets worse. Yeah. Okay, confusing. Return. I like implicit returns. Explicit returns. Okay. I am just gonna go for now. I'm gonna see if I might just stream more again. I currently don't know. But it was fun. It was definitely fun, so I definitely want to do more. But yeah, for now, I will leave it at this, and... what's this? Oh. Like I said, browser open. But yeah. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye!